Namaste. Today in this video I am going to talk about sleep apnea and snoring problem. This is a very common problem nowadays. I keep getting many messages posting a video on this particular problem. Now let's understand what is sleep apnea. In sleep apnea, breathing stops in the midnight or one time or many times in the night and you feel difficulty in breathing, and that difficulty in breathing disturbs your sleep in the night. Some people might feel shivering in the whole body when the oxygen stops, when the breathing stops for a fraction of second. Some people might feel some other uneasiness and they are not able to sleep properly, and because of lack of sleep they get other health issues as well. So what is the solution of sleep apnea in yogic science? In yogic therapy, we have a 3 breathing practices. If you practice daily, you can get rid of sleep apnea problem and also snoring problem. So if you are the one who is snoring a lot in the night, then this video is for you. Try to watch this video till the end because I am going to give you 3 miraculous breathing, and these breathings are so much effective. They will start giving the benefits from the day one only. So let's start with the first breathing. So first breathing is our line breathing. How to do this breathing practice? For line breathing, you can either sit comfortably in a cross leg position, or you can sit in Vajrasana, or if you can't sit on the floor, you can sit on the chair and do all the breathing practices. So let me show you in Vajrasana. So you sit in Vajrasana like this, and then you keep your both legs separate, both knees separate this way, and take your palms down and your fingers are pointing inward, and then you inhale, and as you exhale stretch your tongue out, and with the throat sound you will exhale full air out. How? Let me show you. Breathe in. So what I am doing here, I am inhaling through my nostrils, and with all force I am exhaling the air out as if I am vomiting the air. So there is a throat sound, not the voice sound coming from my throat. So this way you need to do initially 20 round, then you take break, and then again do 20 round. Like this you need to do 3 rounds. But if you are a beginner, you just started today, then I suggest to do only 20 rounds. So let me just show you 20 rounds. Take your fingers inward direction. Now breathe in. So after completing this breathing, you massage your throat. Take a deep breath in and massage your throat. Then again, once again, take a deep breath in and hold the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now release the air slowly, 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 slowly out from the system. So why do we hold the breath after this breathing? Because after doing this breathing, we exhale so much CO2 from the system that we feel some giddiness or dizziness. So avoid that dizziness, we use this holding process where we hold for 5 seconds. Immediately we inhale after completing and hold the breath for 5 seconds, and then exhale slowly, slowly with control over the breath. So this was our first breathing. Now second breathing is our dog breathing. So you sit in Vajrasana. Take your fingers spreading down on the floor. Now you inhale, and as you exhale, stretch your tongue out and breathe out like a dog continuously. So like this you inhale once and you exhale more than 30 times in one go, and you can repeat 3 rounds of this breathing. But initially start with one round only, where you inhale and you exhale more than 30 exhalation in one go. So this was our second breathing, which is dog breathing. Now what these breathings are doing to your throat for your sleep apnea and snore, because there is a windpipe which get contracted when you breathe in and breathe out, and because of that you have a snoring problem and sleep apnea problem. So when you do these breathing, from day one you will see some opening in the windpipe and you will feel very good after doing this. So now third breathing I am going to tell you, which we call it rabbit breathing. For this you need to drop your elbows down, lift your hips up little, then you will take your tongue under the lower lip. Now let me show you how to do it. So you inhale through the nose, take your tongue under the lower lip. So like this you need to do. This is a thoracic breathing. In dog breathing you will see the movement of your abdomen, but in this breathing you will observe the movement of your chest. So you can do 3 rounds of this breathing, same like the previous breathing, but if you are a beginner, start with just 1 round. So practice these breathing. You need to practice these breathing empty stomach, early morning or in the evening before taking your meal. And from first day only you will see the difference in your snoring problem, in your sleep apnea problem. You will feel open up, and also this breathing is very good for any kind of throat related problem, voice related problem, thyroid related problem. So do practice these breathing practices and share this video with maximum people. If you are looking for any courses like Mudra therapy, acupressure therapy, yoga therapy, then do find the details in the description of this video. That's it for now. Thank you everyone.